Hello my dear friends, welcome to Incidental Crane Show. This is Uncle Misha, and with you today we're gonna try to repair or at least clean up to bring to life this MiniDisc Walkman, which is NetMd capable as well, MZ-N420D. It's a bit in a rough shape, as you see. It's a bit dirty, so probably gonna start first with cleaning it up as much as we could, but we still would have to clean up this thing inside, because where the heck this thing is open. When I looked into it, it looked pretty filthy inside as well. Really hard to see in this sort of light, but yes, it is, believe me, it's pretty dirty. This Walkman is nothing to write home about. It doesn't have lots of bells and whistles, doesn't have even a remote, right? As you see, there is no core, like connector for remote. There is only phone output, hold button. Good, it has USB, right? You can record your own stuff, but that's pretty much it, yeah. But the really good stuff that oh my god, it's so filthy. Ugh. Good, it has this AA battery contraption. And as far as I remember, poking battery in it, it was showing something here. So it's at least it's not completely dead. So let's start taking apart these covers, and I'll wash them before going any further. So guys, if you wanna see what's inside, please follow me in this video. Yes, electrical safety is very important as well, so I decided to use this thingy in order to protect the player from electrostatic shock. And these teeny tiny screws go back in here, screwdrivers go back in here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, looks like, oh no, 4. I thought there's only 2 screws, but there are 4 of them. And also on this blue mat, it's so much nicer to see the okay. Yikes. Yeah, everything is not clean, let's say like this. It's funny that this device using a whole bunch of like big ass SMD capacitors, like they are really big. And also it reminds me about a different layout, right? Do you remember my other repair of HMD player? This is similar layout. So the front panel was here and the motor controls were there. So probably they even share some sort of common, you know, layout, common even components, who knows. I'm curious if the pinout of this connector is the same. Well, that would be amazing. The other one had 16 pins. I'm not sure about this guy. I looked up this in the service. Yeah, those screws are very similar, by the way. Oh wow. Okay, well, at least this gives me understanding that if I ever have to salvage, the heck is this? No freaking way. You notice this, guys? This is spider nest or some kind of animal nest. Ёппересете. Yeah, no comments. I'm curious how the animal got in here. Through the headphones? What the fuck? No comments, no comments. This is horrible. How do you freaking open? Oh, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Yeah, this is very similar to the other one. Yeah, must tell you. Okay, very similar. Yeah, very. I'm wondering if I could just plop this front panel to another player and see what's gonna happen. No, I'm probably not gonna do this. Okay, now carefully pull this out. Ta-da! No damage. Yeah, looks like this is different. And it's all super filthy. Super filthy. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. Probably have to disassemble it, everything. Yikes. Well, this is, here is not too bad. Here's the recording head, by the way, this one, right? It's not too bad, but it needs some good cleaning. Okay. Okay, let's disconnect. Let's disconnect this drive. This motors. Wow, it's the worst I ever seen, actually, guys. This is the worst. I'm not sure where was it. Where was it? Who done this to you, my dear friend? It's a bit decent mini disc player. It's not like it's garbage or something. It should be pretty good one. In horrible condition. Okay. Let's just try to lift it. Because I definitely have to clean up that spider web. Or spider nest or something. Nasty spider nest. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, this is okay, but remember here, recording head? I'm not gonna unsolder it, I'm gonna just disconnect the... Yeah. Yeah, look at this. It's a spider. Yeah, it's clearly a spider nest. Horrible. Well, at least there is no corrosion here. What is going on here? Did someone try to solder something? What the fuck? Was it repaired? Anyways, well, it's not looking too bad here, actually. It's not too bad. Yeah, I thought it would be. It looks like the optical pickup is completely different from the other player, but this is not too bad. Okay, just need some cleanup, a little bit of cleanup. That's not too bad. This is all spinning. I'm gonna lubricate a little bit here and there, and that's good to go. Right? Yeah, it's not looking too bad. All right. Again, another solenoid here. I still cannot understand why do we need this solenoid. Sorry, the DC motor. So this is spindle, this is slat. What the heck is this? The third one. Yeah, I need to figure this out. So this is DC motor, and this is brushless DC motor right here, obviously for the stable rotation. Okay, so now I'm gonna probably stop the video because I won't be able to clean up all this jazz right here on the bench. This is too bad. I need to go to the sink and I actually have to, you know, nicely clean up all this, get rid of spider web. This is, I don't even know, probably have to carry all this like that to the sink and use contact cleaners and shit like that, clean up some hairs from here and yada yada yada. A lot of work. Oh yeah, I need to, you know what, let me take this apart as well while I'm here. So this has to be cleaned up as well, all buttons and things like that. If this thing's not gonna work, at least I know that there is some parts can be reused for other players. But yeah. Oh, super dirty. Oh yeah. But at least this can be. Oh my god, this is someone's hair. You see what I'm dealing with? Oh, all right, be back. Alright guys, so after using about a liter of rubbing alcohol and stuff like that and cleaning up as much as possible all these bits and pieces, I think still some crud in here. Yeah, no one gonna see that, right? Now this needs to be a little bit more cleaned out. I didn't notice there's a crud in here, but rest of it was actually pretty nicely cleaned up. Yeah, oopsies. Looks like I bent this little thingy a little bit too much, but that's okay. The group button. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna start assembling it. I'm gonna quickly clean up this crud right here. Okay, so much cleaner. So what is left here is to lubricate a little bit of the transport things here. So what are you gonna lubricate? You're just gonna lubricate the sled right here, and maybe the sled as well, and that's it. Not gonna touch any gears. Maybe there was no lube on this gear, on this one, so no point probably to lubricate it like on this one. So yeah, not gonna touch it. There's no, I don't think there is any lubricant on here. No, not gonna touch it as well. Okay. Here's my lubricator. I'm gonna add a little bit. Hey, silicone. Add a little bit of the silicone goop here, a little bit. A little bit here as well. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave it here. Maybe I need to add it elsewhere because some of the hinges here would require some lubrication as well. I'm not gonna put this too far. Okay. Oh, still some crud in here. Hope it's gonna be removed nicely. All right. Okay, so now it's time to assemble it somehow. It's always hard to deal with this like ribbon cables, which are supposed to be, so maybe it's not too hard as this guy. Oh wow. Oops, I forgot to put my wrist strap. Got so sidetracked. It's like I need two hands in the same time. Okay, it looks like a good click. Maybe not good. Alright. Ah, damn! Yeah, that's not easy. Putting these things back on is not easy. Unless it's making contact, I don't know. No, it has to be deeper. Okay, that's better. Alright. Now we're gonna pull this cable out here. Align the battery terminals. Oh yeah, the main thing. I got rid of that spider web thingy. Spider nest. It was horrible, spider nest. Okay, let's put screws back on. Okay. That should be good. Okay, let's put this to the side. Let's do this. A bit cleaner, of course. All right. Oh yeah, this has to be spring here somewhere. I remember that. Oh, and also some little bit of lubrication in this area. And a little bit of lubrication in this area. Also, I think it needs some lubrication. Very scratchy here. Just need to understand where is the maybe it doesn't need some lubrication. I don't know, it's just maybe here, a little bit here, I don't know, maybe here. It's really hard to tell where is actually this scratchy spot. Oh, maybe. Wait a second. I think I see it. It's not as scratchy anymore. Okay, let's put it here. I think this goes like this. I'm gonna put screws for now, or now. Okay, so that's gonna keep together, and now we need to put this spring back on. How? I honestly don't remember. How was it? Oh yeah, okay. I think it was like that. Maybe. Okay, it probably was like this. Oops, missed. like this. Okay, and this little gentleman goes in here, not little, but just like this. Okay, so I think we are at the stage that we can actually give it a shot. The battery. Let's find the battery and give it a try. And we have my Patrick Patricios YouTube library disc. That's my actually to go test disc. Here, right? At least I saw something before. Now it's nothing. Okay. Hope I didn't kill it. Alright, well, I don't know what I've done. I'm just poking this with this button, and all of a sudden it's just sounds horrible. Looks like it can't really rotate properly. I wish I see. It's really hard to see what the heck is going on there. It's not giving up. Look at this. Look at that. Very stubborn. Cancel, please cancel. Okay. Hope it's not gonna ruin my disc, eh? That actually spins properly, so I'm not sure what the heck. Let me reseat the motor, I don't know. Maybe I didn't seat the optical stuff properly. Let me redo this and see if it's gonna help or not. Okay, my friends, so looks like we do not have a success in this time. So take a look at this. So I've tried all possible things, cleaning up lens, you know, doing all possible things, lubricating more stuff, cleaning up some stuff inside some contacts and things like that, and looks like this is no go. Well, it sort of works in general, you know, you see it's spinning, it's doing some noises and yada yada yada, but it does not read the disk. Let me wait a second and it's gonna show up. Yeah, it's making those, hear it? Yeah, horrible grinding noises. I don't know what the heck is that supposed to mean. If you know more about potential issues with this guy, if you know more how to fix it, please message me, but I think I'm gonna stop now because it's just not going nowhere. You see this? It says 000 and error. Don't know what the heck is that supposed to mean, and obviously it's not playing. It's not doing anything. Yeah, guys, well, thank you for watching, thank you for being with me. At least we know how this guy looks inside, and if I ever gonna get broken unit like this, I will try to make one unit out of two. So we're gonna keep it around as a part unit. So yeah, well, that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Please stay tuned for more videos because I have way more repairs coming.